and welcome to today's episode of Erica and her beautiful mom. Today we'll be opening our what month are we in now?
July. We're in July.
Our LevHaOlam, which say fragile.
Does it?
Yep.
Is that my fragile?
Oh, other side. There you go. So, as always, I recommend make sure you have a knife, a spoon, and a napkin for your mom if you open the box with her. Because she always gets food everywhere.
Just kidding. You know, I have to tell you that before you get started there, someone knew the reference when you said fragile. So to all you people out there who get some of her old school references,
I'm going to start throwing things in now.
just throw it in.
See if anybody catches stuff.
Oh, or like, bring me back something French. That's pretty.
That's your thing then.
I
can't take that from her.
I say it all the time. Anyway, so here we go. We're getting into our LevHaOlam subscriptions. And
we got these a day apart this time.
We did.
So that was super exciting.
And
it smells good. I just took the plastic
I already
off.
can. What a wonderful fragrance. But I was going to do this with Ezra last week because I got to watch Ezra last week. And we never had time. We were so busy playing, we never had time to do this. So anyway, we're going to do it today. We're back to normal now. And this is Sunday, so you're not working.
I am not
Very
today.
nice, very nice. So
and you're not working. Mom's been on baby duty this week because my husband goes out with his guy friends once a year.
yeah.
And they go on like a little retreat somewhere.
So Ezra and I learned chess piece names.
Yep.
How to play chess. How to construct and deconstruct Legos.
Yep.
A lot of swimming and cannonballs. So we had a good week. And so smells and tastes of the Holy Land, the pantry. So let's just show you that. That's very beautiful. She's got, this lady has a bowl of, looks like pomegranates and coconuts on her head. I don't know if it is. Cooking in the Heartland, Volume 3.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
We're gonna have to make some recipes out of
You know
this.
what? You should invite me over and make something from this book because that would be fun.
Do I make it before you get there?
Yes. Yeah, that way I don't have to cook. Gundy.
Pictures.
Oh wow, these really look great. And you know what? Maybe there's something in there low carb because I like low carb. Oh wow.
There's salads.
Look at this.
Kugel. They put
Kugel.
Kugel in here.
Wow. Maybe for Hanukkah we'll have a kugel.
I need a kugel.
We have to space out our carbs, you know, to where we don't have them
Stuffed
too often.
peppers. Man, we make stuffed peppers all the time.
that would
That's
be
gonna
great.
be a fantastic restaurant.
Does it have rice though? What does it have?
Yeah, it does. I can make it without rice.
Yeah, we could do cauliflower.
I'll make one with rice. I'll make it with rice and try it
You'll
out.
make it?
Yeah,
And
I'll
then
make
you'll
it.
Make
I'll
one
let
for
you have-
cauliflower for me?
No, I'm gonna make rice. You just take one for the team.
But it's so high on the glycemic index.
It's okay.
All right, so flavors of the Holy Land. So this is a really exciting gift bag because I was thinking recently
I love gift bags.
I'd love more spices from Israel. And who doesn't love a gift bag? So there's three things in here. Jordan Valley Spice. Wow, garlic, salt, coriander, black pepper, oregano, hyssop, nutmeg.
Oh, sorry.
Nutmeg, mace, nutmeg peel, English pepper, I don't know what that is, ginger, cinnamon, blush, and cardamom.
This is good for meatballs, meat soup, oven beef cuts, and baked beef cuts.
So that is
So it tells you.
the
That's
Jordan
neat.
Spice. And this one is the Galilean Spice.
This is good for steak and beef on the grill.
Black pepper, garlic, thyme, hyssop, rosemary, paprika, spicy paprika. Ooh, so that might be a little bit hot. That's
Yeah,
fun.
that'll be
Mustard seed, Persian lemon, and oregano. Great.
good. Smoked beef and roasted beef.
Oh, wow. Here's the last one.
I love this.
Oh, this is Negev Spice. Woo. So this would Negev. So I'm thinking more
Chicken.
Moses on this one. Moses. I don't know if they had. Surely they had. I don't know if they had chicken. I don't know. More lamb, probably. I don't know.
Fish.
I would,
Yeah, I know he had fish. Come on.
yeah, out in the desert they have a lot of fish.
Yeah.
Okay, this proves we know nothing about what Moses had for dinner.
The sea.
The sea.
He has to be around fish.
Well, you know,
The
he
baby
crossed the
in
Red
the river,
Sea, right?
river?
The Nile.
Yeah.
Well, they got away from the Nile pretty soon. Okay, so that has garlic, coriander, turmeric, fenugreek, paprika, cardamom,
my
cumin,
goodness.
thyme, black pepper, and oregano.
Oh, smell that.
I want to smell that.
That.
Oh,
That would be good with like some coconut and raisins on top.
You know what? Because it
Yeah.
smells like we make tuna curry, and that's what it smells like.
Yeah, it does.
It does smell like tuna curry. Not the tuna part, just curry part. Anyway, all of these are incredible spices, and you know what? I eat steak,
Oh, and there's recipes. They got.
and I eat ground beef, and I'm gonna put it on my steak and ground beef. And eggs.
Awesome.
Have you ever tried spicy spices on eggs? Like you make an egg, you fry an egg, and then you put these incredible spices on it?
Like salt and pepper? Yes.
No, like these. Put this on your fried eggs or scrambled eggs with a little cheese on it. Very keto friendly
Set it
and
up here.
delicious. Ooh, so you know what? This is what I think we were smelling was the soap.
Ooh, soap. Olive oil base.
Olive oil based, handmade in Israel.
Mhm.
What did? Oh, look at that! It looks like it has a little tree in it.
Aww.
I wonder if mine's
thank
gonna
you.
look like that.
Yeah, that is.
Let's see.
Oh, yeah. That is really cute.
And it's purple. I wonder if that's
Oh.
lavender. Let's see. Okay.
Olive oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, castor oil, coconut seed, essential oils, lavender,
Lavender,
lemongrass, eucalyptus, red clay, purple mica. Interesting. Green clay and organic matcha.
Wow.
Thank you.
Time to.
Can't wait for
Don't
my
take it
daughter to
off.
steal this from me. That'd be great.
Aw. It's so funny when you have a teenage daughter. You never know what you're going to keep and what you're going to share.
No, I'm pretty sure I know. I know.
Oh boy, this is interesting.
Oh, let's open that.
What have we got
What?
here? Kabukim. Ingredients: wheat flour, peanuts, sugar, corn syrup, stabilizers, raising agent. Okay, so I'm guessing this is a cookie. There's some kind of a cookie or
Yeah, let's see.
something sweet because it's got sugar in it and glucose syrup.
There's something in it.
Really? It's crunchy? I can tell it's crunchy. She's crunching.
Oh, there's peanut in it.
Oh, the peanut is whole inside. It's like a corn dog, only not corn and dogs. It's
That is not the analogy at all.
well, you know, it's
Why
something
did you-
wrapped. It's something wrapped with something else.
It's like roasted peanuts with a hard shell. It's like M&M's without the sugar.
Ah,
It's like a peanut M&M without the sugar.
I might try that sometime. Oh, let's see this one. Sweet and nutty trail mix. Okay, so I can understand this one. I can decipher trail mix. Natural almond, natural cashew nuts, dried sugared cranberries. Oh, date syrup, sugar, and canola oil.
Anything with date syrup is good.
So that looks really good. Like if you're gonna top your
Salad, you could top a nice
top a
with that.
salad,
Mhm.
top a yogurt.
Oh, it's kind of sticky too. Like not like wet sticky, but it's kind of.
That must be from the date syrup. So it's probably delicious.
It is.
It is. You know what I love about this is you're eating all these things that came from Israel.
It's
that came
so
from
fresh.
the land. And yeah. And they created these things. They cultivated, they grew, and
From the Galilean Heights, sweet and nutty trail mix. Great,
very nice.
Great trail mix.
Very nice. Oh, we have so many good things.
So
in
good,
here.
I should throw it.
Haven't we? You remember the last time we got popcorn?
Oh my gosh,
Gourmet
they
popcorn
really
from
do,
Jerusalem.
really do.
All right, so these people in Jerusalem that make this sweet
Popcorn, they are so good at popcorn.
This is the best popcorn in the world, and the problem is, do you know the
You
biggest
only
problem?
give me this much.
The problem
Yeah, oh,
is this is the best popcorn in the world. So that's a good thing and a bad thing.
Called caramel green. Okay.
Wow, it's big and fluffy. Oh, I want to smell it.
I'm just gonna eat a couple.
Oh, so it smells
Don't
like
put that back in there.
it smells like popcorn and what's that, caramel or
Heaven?
something.
That is a really good caramel.
That's so good. It's so good. I remember these guys, and
Just lick it.
I'm not gonna lick it. I'm
just
not
one
licking
lick.
it. I'm not licking it.
Yeah, just.
No, I'll never turn back if I. Well, I'm certainly not licking it now.
I know. I didn't think.
I do know how, but you don't have to demonstrate. You see what I have to work with here. Ooh.
No, I want to know if you would taste it. And you would. So you should look at
If
it.
you listen, you taste it. All right, handmade Israeli tomato pesto. That sounds wonderful. Fresh basil, olive oil, vinegar, garlic, sweet paprika, sugar, salt, and black pepper. So the sugar is kind of down on the list, so hopefully it wouldn't be that much. And I want
The
to tell you,
ingredients.
a lot of times they will give you the carbohydrate content on this.
Look
If
at
that's
that.
something.
Oh my goodness. That just looks.
Doesn't that look good?
Look at, you can see a little bit.
Toss that
Oh.
in something
From
delicious.
bruschetta.
Okay. So let's see. Carbohydrates, 8.8 grams, but I don't know if that's the whole
You know what?
thing or the.
I
or
don't
the
really
half.
care.
You should care. You should care.
Do
Glycemic
you, look
index.
at this. Isn't
Learn
this-
it. Know it.
Look at this.
It's delicious looking. Are you gonna open it?
I think I might.
If you open it, you have to use it because
Yeah,
that
I
will
know.
go bad.
How quickly do you think it'll go bad?
I don't know. If you keep it in the fridge, maybe a week.
Twist off cap.
It says 30 days.
At
Use
30
within-
days.
Use within 30 days. You know, if I were going to use this, wow, that really smells good. That smells like one of those really earthy pizzas. I would.
The glycemic index is low.
I would toss this. Okay, go
Oh,
ahead.
no, you were
No,
gonna
no,
eat it.
no.
You're finally gonna eat it.
I would toss this with like bow tie pasta, some really heavy. That would be good.
You know that would
A
really.
bow tie pasta.
That would be good on my pizza.
On a pizza, yeah. On some kind of pizza that is not a flour-based pizza, but a cheese-based pizza. And you could get by with that low amount of carbs, wouldn't you?
I could.
Yeah, that's really good.
I'd get away with
It
it.
wouldn't give you too much of an insulin release, I don't think. The last thing we have is, yay, anti-aging eye cream. I'm always excited to get eye cream. Yay. Let's see. Let's see how this goes.
We've gotten their stuff before.
We do.
I have.
Yeah, I recognize the scent. A lot of their things
It's like
have
a
the same
spa.
scent.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Here,
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a tester like at the spa. Oh wait, no, I'm not.
A tester like at the spa. Yes. Feels good.
Yep.
And I'm going to have very young looking
I don't-
eyes on the back of my hand soon. So, anyway, if you are not,
I'm not gonna ruin my makeup, but
if you're not a subscribed member of LevHaOlam,
it's not right.
I would recommend you become one, because not only do you get these wonderful things, you get these wonderful flavors that you don't really get the opportunity of having here in the United States, unless you have a very special market nearby. But you can also, I just saw something Erica's got in her hand.
I sure do, and I'm going to use it. Get 10% off your next LevHaOlam online order.
Wow.
The code is active for 2 months.
Wow.
That's awesome. Thank you.
So yeah,
I'll be ordering some more stuff.
When you order these things and you find out what you really love, then you can order directly from the makers of these products. And there are a few things that come through that speak to you more than they would speak to me. And we have different tastes and opinions. So you get a chance to go back to the original manufacturer. So like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and
Here's our little book for the week. Month.
the book for the month. Yeah, it's wonderful, wonderful. And if you do subscribe to LevHaOlam, please let us know, because
People behind the
that
product.
makes us happy that what we're doing is making a difference for the people in Israel. Do you have any closing sentiments?
As always, I support local. Everything local, even if it's across the world.
Everything local from Israel.
Yeah. I firmly believe that we're touching people's homes.
We are. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next month with our next LevHaOlam unboxing.
Next month
And
is going to be August.
August.
We got a busy August going on.
We do. What are you doing in August?
My daughter goes back to college. My little boy starts school.
Pre-K.
Pre-K.
So this is his first year in almost real school.
Yeah.
Is that real? Almost?
Husband goes back to school.
Yeah, he's a teacher. He's
So
not
he's
in
going-
school. He's
So it's
a teacher of school.
so he'll be going back. It's gonna be busy, real busy.
Yeah, I have nothing. I have nothing exciting going on for the month of August, except for trying to get through it because it's really hot in
Oh, it's
Florida.
hot. Oh,
It's hot in Florida.
Ugh.
That it could be worse. It could be December in Alaska. So yay. Anyway, so thanks everybody.
Bye.
And we'll see you next month. Okay. You know what I'm thinking? I hope record was on.
Oh my God.
Let's hope record was on.